What's good, YouTubers? This is your host, Mozan, and today we're going to talk about Fibonacci sequence. You guys, just in case you don't know what Fibonacci sequence is, it's going to be my honor to introduce you to it because it is definitely important that you gain this knowledge because it'll definitely help you out on your meditation sessions as well as give you another viewpoint of life. You know, gives you the ability to think outside your world, sort of like a macro type of thinking. But just going ahead, I'm here at livescience.com. I'm definitely going to leave a link in the description below. And I'm definitely going to want you guys to do your own research as far as Fibonacci sequence is concerned. But this is definitely going to be a good introduction to my next video, which is going to be about sacred geometry and whatnot. And also do me a favor and like this video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and also click on the notification bell for that way you could get the latest videos. It'll definitely help me out a lot. It's free, and you definitely will know a great deal as far as the information that I am sharing with the world. I mean, this information is already here on YouTube, but it's coming from me, so this is going to be my creation, and this is my gift to you guys because they don't teach these type of things in school. Okay, so we're going to start out. What is the Fibonacci sequence? The Fibonacci sequence is one of the most famous formulas in mathematics. Each number in the sequence is the sum of two numbers that precede it. So the sequence goes 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, and so on. The mathematical equation describing it is xn plus 2 equals xn plus 1 plus xn. The mainstay of a high school and undergraduate classes, it's been called the Nature's Secret Guard and Nature's Universal Rule. Do apologize for that, YouTubers. It is said to govern the dimensions of everything from Great Pyramid at Giza to the iconic seashells that grace the cover of your math textbook. It's pretty cool, huh? And odds are almost everything you know about it is wrong. I'm just going to read a couple of more paragraphs and then give you my 2 cents and experience about it. But I just want you guys to be aware of the magnificence. I'm butchering it. The all of nature and its creation. It is an intelligent design, and we are at a point in our lives that we have to know this in order for us to get to the next level. But anyway, I digress. So let's go ahead and start out with the second section of the what is the Fibonacci sequence? Scattered history. So then, what's the real story behind the famous sequence? Many sources claim it was discovered or invented by Leonardo Fibonacci, the Italian mathematician who was born around AD 1170. Was originally known as Leonardo of Pisa, said Keith Delvin, a mathematician at Stanford University. Only in the 19th century did historians come up with the nickname Fibonacci, roughly meaning son of Bonacci clan. To the distinguished mathematician from another famous Leonardo of Pisa, Devlin said, large numbers that define the universe. I guess that's like the book or something, or the information that they got it from. But Leonardo of Pisa did not actually discover the sequence, said Devlin, who was also the author of Finding Fibonacci, the quest to rediscover the forgotten mathematical genius of who changed the world. Princeton University Press, 2017. Ancient Sanskrit texts that used the Indo-Arabic numeral system first mentioned it, and those predate Leonardo of Pisa by centuries. It's been around forever, Devlin told Live Science. However, in 1202, Leonardo of Pisa published the massive tome Liber Aci, a mathematics cookbook for how to do calculations, Devlin said. Written for tradesmen, Fibonacci laid out Hindu Arabic arithmetic useful for tracking profits, losses, remaining loan balances, and so on, Devlin said. In one place in the book, Leonardo Pisa introduces the sequence with problem involving rabbits. Now, this is the part, ladies and gentlemen, that I wanted to share with you, and it is awesome. The problem goes as follows. Start with a male and female rabbit. After a month, they mature and produce a litter with another male and female rabbit. A month later, those rabbits reproduce, and out comes, you guessed it, another male and female, who also can mate after a month. Ignore the wildly improbable biology here. After a year, how many rabbits would you have? The answer, turns out, is 144. And the formula used to get to that answer is what is now known as the Fibonacci sequence. Liberace first introduced the sequence to the Western world, but after a few scant paragraphs on breeding rabbits, Leonardo Pisa never mentioned the sequence again. In fact, it was mostly forgotten until the 19th century, when mathematicians worked out more about the sequence's mathematical properties. In 1877, French mathematician Edward Lucas officially named the rabbit problem the Fibonacci sequence. And there's just a section here that describes the number itself. As you can see, if you were to draw a rectangle, you can actually draw inside that rectangle 8 squares, and you can do the spiral, and that's the spiral that they're referring to that is in nature, as you can see in this broccoli spirals from Shutterstock.com, pictures and whatnot. We're going to go over here to YouTube. I'm not going to play any of these videos because copyright issues and whatnot. Believe me, folks, I already went through the nightmare on my other channel, and I don't want to bring that over here. So just giving you more information for you to go ahead and check out on your own. Other than that, peoples, I greatly appreciate you sticking by me this long. The Fibonacci sequence is good for you to know, and it'll definitely give you a better understanding of life and why you're here. Definitely, please leave a comment below. I definitely want to hear your opinions about Fibonacci sequence. And if you had any interesting meditation experiences. Other than that, peoples, please comment, like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. This is Mozan Real coming to you. Peace.